Hello everyone, just thought I'd make a quick video just coinciding with the opening of the US markets. You see I've got a few stocks here in front on the screen. So lithium, I'm talking about lithium for a little while. Lithium obviously using batteries for electric cars, electric scooters, some solar panel storage units. What else have we got? Electric chainsaws and strimmers and things like that. Companies like steel are moving away from two-stroke engines in this new sort of green wave that's coming ahead. So yeah, lithium's going to see some good growth. I think particularly on the 21st of December when Tesla officially joins the S&P 500. I think lithium, Tesla and the S&P will see good growth. I mean, some statistics. So one article I read said that the demand for lithium is going to go up to 500% in the next few years. You know, another person said that another different article about electric cars was talking about them not even producing any more like petrol or diesel cars within the next 10 years. So again, we'll see a massive increase then. And yeah, we've got Cineworld trading a fraction of their former price, currently £62.70. They were once 650 odd pounds a share. So if even that sees a fraction of recovery, then you're going to see some nice profit. So you've got the cannabis index. You see I've got a few in red there. Also got a few in green at the bottom. So I mean that's quite down at the moment, but we're likely to see some good legalization news in the new year. Also that's been recovering a lot these last few days. Got Nintendo there we've been talking about. Obviously it's got the Nintendo Switch, really popular. The Nintendo theme parks around the world. And also we've got the Olympics in Japan, which is just going to boost the whole Japanese economy. Every company in Japan will probably see some nice profit. But particularly Nintendo, as they have a lot of the mascots for the Olympics. I see a lot of posters with Mario and some other characters on there, and I think they're going to bring out an Olympics game, another Olympics game, using all the Nintendo mascots. So yeah, markets should just about to be open, 2:30 now. Some open at 2:30, some annoyingly 2:33. But yeah, they've got Amazon on the rise. Again, when they report their first quarter earnings for 2021, usually about the 20th to the 25th of April, they'll see some nice growth, but they're going to probably see steady rises between now and then as well. Canadian solar, the whole solar industry saw a massive boom yesterday, but Canadian solar in particular were down at the moment, where they're having production issues thanks to COVID. So they're talking about 200% production in 2021. So I think next year that's going to see massive growth. And again, all solar companies are going to see growth, especially after the climate conference coming ahead. I think it's November next year. We'll see much more growth as governments commit to spending more money on solar panels. So yeah, that's all of them really. Nikola, a few more there. AstraZeneca down at the moment due to vaccine uncertainty. Hopefully that will recover. As we said, like government spending in pharmaceutical industry is going to go up year on year. This global focus on vaccines and pharmaceuticals isn't going to go down. So yeah, that's a few of my buys. Let's go and have a look at these, Horo. So yesterday was a really good day for crypto. As I've been predicting, Bitcoin hit 20 grand, which caused a massive rally in the crypto market. You can see the difference between yesterday's video and today's on the old profit at the bottom. I believe yesterday's was minus $2,000 at most, and today, yeah, we're back into the profits. I mean, a lot of that minus was just the spread of my buys, like the difference between the buy and the sell. As you can see from my portfolio, there is a lot in red, but my greens more than counter it. So over time, as some of these reds recover and these greens get even bigger, this account will see some crazy profit. It's gone up over £2,500 since yesterday. Dollars even, $2,500. So I leave it displaying in dollars because when I change it to pounds, the price on the stock stays in dollars and the equity and everything else changes to pounds. So just to keep it matching, I just leave it all on dollars. But yeah, so yeah, I'm expecting to see some nice things for the rest of this year from Nintendo, lithium, Amazon, the cannabis index, And yeah, of course, cryptocurrency is going to see a boom in 2021 again, I believe. Some analysts expect Bitcoin to reach upwards of £100,000 within the next 10 years, which is crazy to think, you know. I remember when I used to trade 6 years ago, Bitcoin jumped from £14 to £40. And people were talking about, oh, it's hit the ceiling, it's a bubble, it's going to burst. You know, nearly 7 years later, it's 20,000, 22,000, 23,000. What price is it today? So yeah, yesterday it hit 20,000 and then it's jumped straight away to 23,000. So I'm sure that will continue to rise. When it hits 30,000, we'll probably see another rally. It's just where it hits these milestones and gets media coverage and on the news and things like that, it attracts investors that otherwise wouldn't have invested. And, yeah, it causes a boom. It may be a temporary boom. You can set those limits at the bottom. If it starts to fall, set your automatic sells, set your stop losses in profit, and leave the top end open, because who knows how far it will grow or where it will stop. So yeah, we'll let this one grow. You can see my Tesla buys. I stuck an extra leveraged Tesla buy on there today, under the expectation that it goes up on the 21st. So today's the last day of trading. It's going to be closed for the weekend and then open again on the Monday, when Tesla will officially join the S&P 500. I think it's going to boom. You see, I put $1,200. I put that with 5 times leverage. So basically, if it goes up 10%, I will multiply that with my leverage and I will gain 50% of my investment. If it goes up 20%, then I'll double my money. Yeah, who knows how much it will go. And if we go to my S&P 500 buy, I also leverage that, which is not something I normally do on my eToro. I save my leverage for plus 500, but it's something I've just started to do more often this week. So yeah, this one has up to 20 times leverage. So if it goes up 1%, I'd make 20%. So you can imagine if that has a nice jump, then yeah, if it goes up 10%, I can make 200% of my investment. And some analysts that I was looking at expect that the S&P 500 could grow by as much as 7% by New Year's Day. So yeah, if it grows 7%, I'll make 140% on my investment. And that's just within the next month. So who knows? I mean, if coronavirus ends, and with Donald Trump out, I'm sure this index is only going to go up and up, at least for the next 6 to 8 months. I probably look to hold this investment until at least around summertime, and I will just set my stop losses in place in profit, so that once I'm up, it won't allow me to go negative, and leave the top end open to see how far it goes. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying the videos. Again, let us know in the comments if there's anything you want covering, or anything that's troubling you want any of this stupid jargon terms explaining. I know a lot of times it seems complicated, but it's really not that complicated once you break through the jargon and break through the screens and flashing lights and numbers. It's really not that complicated at all. I was talking to a guy about cryptocurrency, and he didn't say he buys and sells Bitcoin. He says he purchases it low, supports it, and then releases it at resistance. Just trying to make what you do sound complicated and trying to make yourself sound smart. You know, I think that's what puts a lot of people off investing. So again, my videos might not be the smoothest videos. There might not be flashy graphics and cutaways, and I do all my videos just one take. It's not edited, but I'm not going to overcomplicate it, and I'm just give you my opinions. Always do your own research. Use the Motley Fool, Google News, Financial Times. Yeah, but hope you're enjoying the videos. Let's hope to see this account grow. I reckon eToro Diamond is my target. If I can get to eToro Diamond by the end of next year, then that'll be a massive goal. You know, aim high. Even if I don't hit it, I'll be somewhere up there.